Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make tahini sauce. Tahini sauce is so rich in flavor and has that nutty taste because it's made of sesame seeds. To make tahini sauce, I have 1/4 cup of tahini. This time I bought tahini from Whole Foods, but you can use any brand. Just make sure that it's 100% made from sesame seeds. 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Whisk for about a minute or until everything is well combined. You will see the difference that it will turn smooth and more velvety looking. And there, tahini sauce is ready. You can use tahini sauce as salad dressing or drizzle on sandwiches and wraps. You can also drizzle some on roasted veggies and it can be used as falafel dip. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and do give it a try. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.